Too many baking sheets look interchangeable. Start with the Nordic Ware for versatile, everyday cooking. Switch for easier cleaning or cookie-focused handling. Choose by cooking job, rim style, and cleanup. For most kitchens, buy the Nordic Ware Naturals Baker's Half Sheet. It's uncoated aluminum and rim-shaped suit cookies, roasted vegetables, and complete sheet pan dinners. It also handles high-heat roasting without turning into a specialty purchase. The catch is cosmetic upkeep. Bare aluminum darkens and stains, while dishwasher cleaning can dull the finish. Its embossed logo also needs extra scrubbing. Skip it if you want a rimless cookie sheet or an especially smooth cleaning surface. Choose the Artisan Professional Classic Aluminum Half Sheet when stamp details make cleanup needlessly annoying. You still get a conventional 13B by 18 inch rimmed aluminum pan, but the surface avoids that embossed logo nuisance. Cooking performance isn't the reason to switch, surface simplicity is. It generally costs more, may make noises while cooling, and matching smaller sizes are harder to find. Skip it if price, broad availability, or a coordinated range of pan sizes matters more. For frequent cookie baking, pick the Vollrath Ware aluminum cookie sheet with natural finish. Its thick, rimless build and open sides make sliding cookies onto a cooling rack straightforward. End handles also help when rotating the pan. But that open design can't contain roasting juices or loose ingredients, and parchment can move around more easily. Home buyers also don't receive its commercial food service bakeware warranty. Skip it if vegetables or saucy sheet pan dinners share oven duty. For everyday versatility, choose Nordic Ware. For a smooth surface, choose Artisan. For cookie transfer and oven rotation, choose Vollrath. Before buying, check your oven space, decide whether drips need containment, and consider how much surface staining or detailed scrubbing bothers you. Start with Nordic Ware if you want one pan for regular oven work. Switch to Artisan for a smoother surface, or Vollrath when cookies come first. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.